This beaded bracelet is made with the oh so satisfying peyote stitch, which is then embellished with 11 seed beads and 3mm sequins. It's fast, it's pretty, so keep watching to learn how to bead it. Today we have this absolutely gorgeous bracelet. Very dimensional and very flexible in the same time. It's made on a base of peyote stitch on 4 8/0 beads. Then is embellished with a sequence of 11/0s and sequins, and then at the end, to make sure that the structure holds nice, we embellish on the side with the 3 11/0s in between 2 consecutive 8/0s. We start with a normal plain peyote strap made on, as I was saying, 4 8/0s. So we pick up 4 8/0s and we continue our usual peyote. Pick up 1 8/0, skip the last one, go through the next one, and now again pick up 1, skip 1 and go through the last one. We can leave a longer tail, and now we just continue our our peyote. Pick up 1, go through the next one, pick up 1 through, go through the last. So basically we will have 2 peyote stitches on each row, and if you want, you can add the closed ring for the clasp like this. You can add it just now or at the end when we start the embellishment. Now I'll just continue a few more stitches for our tutorial. I won't make the full length because actually it's not quite required. As you can see, the 8-0 base can be worked very fast. Let's make another one. And just one more. Here we can now we start our embellishment with the sequins, and for this we make sure that our thread comes out like this, out of the last 8-0 on the edge. And now we pick up one of the 11-0 color that we decided to work with, and for this width, and you can see 1, 2, and 3 for half. Then we pick up a sequin and come on, like this, and in between sequins I'm using an 8-0, another sequin, so it looks like this. And now we finish with the other 3 11-0s. So this is a decorative branch, let's call it. So the thread comes out this 8-0 and then comes in the 8-0 in the next row from outside in, just like this. And now we move the thread to the next 8-0 to make sure that the thread comes out like this. And now we just continue this branch with 3 11-0s, 1 sequin, 1 8-0, another sequin, and we pick them up so they actually face each other like this, and then 3 11-0s, and then they go through the next 8-0 like this on the opposite side, the next to the one where we've already had. And then we move the thread from inside out on the next 8-0. And this is all the embellishment we have to do to create this design. So again, another branch, 3 11-0s, sequin, 8-0 sequin, and again 3 11-0s, and then we go through the next 8-0 on the opposite side, and when I mean next, is next to the one that is already there, I hope I can untangle this. Okay. And then we move the thread coming out the next. And this is how we continue. All throughout the entire length of our bracelet. Very fast, very easy, and very pretty. And you can also play a lot with the colors, a lot. I'm using these color schemes because I like them very much. But you can choose others. Okay. Here I have embellished the entire length of my small mini bracelet. And now we are going to add the branches of 3 on the sides. This way we both cover the thread and push the beads up from the branch and make sure that they keep a nice shape. So with the thread coming out of one 8/0, we pick up 3 11/0s and go through the next 8/0, just like this. We move the thread through the next 8/0 on the side, pick up again 3 11/0s, go down the next 8/0 on the side, and then we move the thread up. Pick up again 3 11/0s, down the 8/0, and I think it's here in this case. And this way these beads won't slip under, they will always stay on top. Now after we finished one side, we move our thread on the other side, and again thread comes out of the 8/0, and here we have another way of working this on the back, so we can both work from the front or from the back. From the back is easier because you can see the beads. Pick up 3, go down the next one, up the following one, 3, down the next one. And here we have the embellishment on the sides. And this is how we create this beautiful, beautiful design. I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment, to subscribe. Give me a like if you like it. And thank you for watching. See you with our next tutorial. Ciao, ciao.